Hey, what's up, Xrp holder? Xrp is one of my favorite cryptocurrency. I like it because I am also holder of Xrp. So before I get started this brand new video, I just request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you every single day and every good or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So don't forget to subscribe, okay? And complete 100 like, just 100 like. Okay guys, so this is the last 1 hour result. If you can see here in the graph result, this is absolutely last 1 hour result. And if you can see here, the chart is last 1 hour as minus 1.69% is gone down. Absolutely, this is very bad. Okay, so here is the latest price of 0.5807 US dollar as the latest price of XRP coin. You know why the price is going down, the changes is going down? This is one reason, because this is the start of this month. Therefore, the price is going down. This is not a one of unique coin whose price is going down. Every cryptocurrency is going down because this is start of month. At the start of month, all cryptocurrencies is going down because all of people is the sell it. Therefore, the price is going down. Absolutely. If you can see here in the graph result, the graph result absolutely gone down here. But again, they start off. You can see here they're starting growing like a rocket. Absolutely like a rocket. They're going up. So let's check it out. The last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result is gonna good. You can see here the last 1 day result is gone up like absolutely like a rocket. You can see here the graph is start moving up, but from here you can see here the graph is going down. So this is absolutely very bad dumps. So this is not latest. You can see here this is just last one day result. If you can see here, absolutely gone down because this is the end of this is the start of month. So thanks for watching guys. For latest update, just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest update videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.